Muscle health is a crucial aspect of overall well-being, particularly when it comes to maintaining strong legs. Strong leg muscles play a vital role in daily activities, from walking and climbing stairs to standing up from a seated position. They contribute significantly to balance, stability, and mobility, which are essential for an active lifestyle. However, many people hold misconceptions about muscle loss and aging, believing that it is an inevitable part of getting older. In reality, while muscle mass may decline with age, this process can be mitigated through regular strength training and proper nutrition. It's important to understand that maintaining muscle strength is not only about aesthetics, it directly impacts our ability to perform everyday tasks and enhances our quality of life. To address these concerns, we will explore practical solutions to boost muscle health, including a special recipe designed to support muscle strength and recovery, ensuring that you can stay active and vibrant at any age. Muscle loss is an alarming trend that can begin at a surprisingly young age, often unnoticed until it significantly impacts daily life. The legs, in particular, serve as key indicators of overall muscle health. They are essential for movement and stability. Weakness in the leg muscles can lead to reduced mobility, making simple tasks like walking or climbing stairs increasingly difficult. This decline not only affects physical capabilities, but also diminishes quality of life, leading to a cycle of inactivity and further muscle loss. As we age, the consequences of this weakness can become more pronounced, resulting in falls and injuries that could have been prevented. Therefore, it is crucial to address muscle health proactively, incorporating strength training and proper nutrition into our routines from an early age. By prioritizing leg strength and overall muscle health, we can enhance our mobility, maintain independence, and improve our overall well-being, ensuring a healthier future. There are several common myths surrounding muscle loss that need clarification, particularly the belief that it is an inevitable part of aging. While it is true that muscle mass can decline with age, this process is not unavoidable. Proactive measures, such as regular strength training, can significantly mitigate this decline. Additionally, muscle health is multifaceted and extends beyond just exercise. Factors such as sleep quality, stress management, and overall lifestyle choices play crucial roles in maintaining muscle strength and function. Another misconception is that diet alone is not critical for preserving muscle mass. In reality, proper nutrition, including adequate protein intake and essential nutrients, is vital for muscle repair and growth. A balanced diet supports not only muscle health but also overall well-being. By debunking these myths, we can empower individuals to take charge of their muscle health, emphasizing that with the right approach, it is possible to maintain strength and vitality well into later years. TP53INP2 is a protein that plays a significant role in muscle health, particularly through its regulation of autophagy, the process by which cells remove damaged components and maintain cellular function. By promoting autophagy, TP53INP2 helps preserve muscle tissue health, ensuring that muscle cells can efficiently recycle proteins and organelles, which is crucial for muscle maintenance and repair. Recent studies have highlighted the potential of TP53INP2 in preventing muscle loss, especially in the context of aging and muscle-wasting conditions. These findings suggest that enhancing the activity of TP53INP2 could be a promising strategy for combating muscle degeneration. Encouraging viewers to explore ways to boost TP53INP2 activity is essential, as lifestyle choices such as regular exercise, proper nutrition, and stress management can influence its function. By understanding and leveraging the benefits of TP53INP2, individuals can take proactive steps toward maintaining their muscle health and overall vitality. For older adults, incorporating a combination of aerobic and resistance training exercises is essential for maintaining muscle health and overall fitness. Aerobic activities such as walking, swimming, or cycling can improve cardiovascular health and endurance, while resistance training helps build and preserve muscle mass. Simple yet effective exercises like chair squats can be easily integrated into daily routines. They strengthen the legs and improve balance without requiring extensive equipment. Additionally, resistance band workouts are excellent for older adults, as they provide adjustable resistance and can be performed seated or standing, making them accessible for various fitness levels. It's crucial to encourage consistency in these exercises, aiming for at least 150 minutes of moderate aerobic activity each week, along with 2 days of resistance training. Moreover, incorporating enjoyable activities such as dancing or gardening can make exercise feel less like a chore and more like a fun part of daily life, promoting long-term adherence to a healthy lifestyle. Dietary choices play a crucial role in supporting muscle strength and enhancing TP53-INP2 levels. High-protein foods are particularly beneficial for muscle maintenance, as they provide the essential amino acids necessary for muscle repair and growth. Incorporating sources such as lean meats, fish, eggs, legumes, and dairy can help meet protein needs effectively. Additionally, vitamins and antioxidants are vital for overall health and muscle function. They help combat oxidative stress and support recovery. Foods rich in vitamin C and E, such as fruits and nuts, should be included in the diet. Healthy fats found in avocados, nuts, and olive oil also contribute to muscle health by providing energy and supporting cellular function. Versatile ingredients like tofu and leafy greens are excellent additions to meals, offering plant-based protein and essential nutrients. By focusing on a balanced diet that includes these components, individuals can enhance their muscle strength and support the activity of TP53-INP2, promoting overall well-being. Supplements can play a valuable role in supporting muscle health and recovery, particularly for those looking to enhance their fitness regimen. Amino acids, especially leucine, are crucial for muscle building as they stimulate protein synthesis and promote muscle repair after exercise. Including leucine-rich supplements can be particularly beneficial for older adults or those engaged in intense training. Additionally, natural nutrients like nicotinamide and pyridoxine, also known as vitamin B6, contribute to muscle support by aiding in energy metabolism and reducing fatigue, which can enhance overall performance. Omega-3 supplements are another excellent option. Known for their anti-inflammatory properties, they can help reduce muscle soreness and improve recovery times after workouts, making them a great addition to any supplement routine. By incorporating these supplements into a balanced diet, individuals can optimize their muscle health, enhance recovery, and support their overall fitness goals, ensuring they remain active and strong. Hydration is vital for maintaining muscle function and promoting effective recovery. Dehydration can lead to muscle cramps, fatigue, and decreased performance, as water is essential for nutrient transport and temperature regulation during physical activity. Even mild dehydration can impair muscle strength and endurance, making it crucial to drink adequate fluids throughout the day, especially during exercise. Additionally, encouraging regular movement and taking breaks from prolonged inactivity is essential for overall muscle health. Simple activities like stretching, walking, or standing up can help stimulate blood flow and prevent stiffness. Incorporating movement into daily routines can significantly enhance muscle function and overall well-being. Furthermore, regular health checkups are important for monitoring muscle health and identifying any potential issues early on. These checkups can provide valuable insights into muscle strength, hydration levels, and overall fitness, allowing individuals to make informed decisions about their health and lifestyle. By prioritizing hydration and an active lifestyle, individuals can support their muscle health and enhance their quality of life. Here's a nutritious smoothie recipe designed to support muscle health, packed with ingredients that promote strength and recovery. You will need 1 cup of spinach, which is rich in vitamins and minerals, 1 banana, which provides potassium for muscle function, 1 scoop of protein powder, essential for muscle repair, 1 tablespoon of almond butter, which offers healthy fats and protein, and 1 cup of almond milk, which provides calcium for bone health. To prepare the smoothie, start by adding the spinach and almond milk to a blender, blending until smooth. Next, add the banana, protein powder and almond butter, blending again until all ingredients are well combined and creamy. If desired, you can add ice for a chilled texture. This delicious smoothie is not only easy to make, but also a fantastic way to incorporate muscle-supporting nutrients into your diet. Encourage viewers to enjoy this smoothie as a post-workout snack or a nutritious breakfast option, helping them stay energized and support their muscle health effectively. In summary, we've highlighted the critical importance of taking proactive steps for muscle health, emphasizing that maintaining strong muscles is essential for overall well-being and quality of life. From understanding the role of proteins like TP53-INP2 in muscle maintenance to incorporating effective exercises and nutritious dietary choices, every action counts in supporting muscle strength and recovery. We encourage you to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with friends and family who may benefit from this information. Your engagement helps us reach more people and spread awareness about the significance of muscle health. Additionally, we invite you to explore our related content for more tips and insights on fitness and nutrition. We'd love to hear about your health journeys, so feel free to share your experiences and any questions you may have in the comments below. Together, let's foster a community focused on health, strength, and vitality.